What's good everyone, this is Rowe Damnation and now I'm back from the dead. So now we're gonna open this package that I bought from Lazada. Inside the package is the Fantech Hg12 solar gaming headset, and I got Huawei X6 car mount phone holder instead of Fantech X6 night gaming mouse. I got the wrong item, so let's move on. I bought this product around $13 during Lazada's 12/12 sale, and for me, the packaging is uncool and mostly made of plastic. I don't like it. So let's open the box. The box contains the headset itself, and that's it. No documents. The headset is lightweight, so it's easy to handle. The adjustable headband made of faux leather is amazing. The metal support is sturdy that will help you stretch it with ease. The ear cups cover your ears and it is comfortable and soft. The headset features 50mm neodymium audio drivers, which gives you 20Hz up to 20 kHz. At the back of the headset, left side, there is a volume control wheel. The LED lights are amazing, especially in low light. The Fantech logo vibrantly illuminates and cannot be customized. In this part of the headset is transparent. The lights you can see is reflected from the Fantech logo, and it has bubble design in it. The cable length is 2.5 meters and it is made of plastic. At the end of the cable, we got two 3.5mm gold-plated audio jacks for the audio and microphone, and a silver USB connector for the LED lights. The noise-cancelling microphone is non-retractable, but it is omnidirectional, which means you can turn it around. As you can see, the microphone lights up in red. Hello guys, this is Rowe Damnation and this is the raw audio quality of Fantech Hg12 solar gaming headset. What do you guys think about it? First of all, I am impressed with the mic quality. You can use this for communication with your teammates and friends. As for the sound quality, the headset provides a decent job, especially playing your favorite music. The bass is nice, the noise isolation is not that bad. Fantech doesn't provide a software for this headset, unlike their other headsets in line with Hg12. As for the gaming experience, the sound staging is nice even though it doesn't have a 7.1 virtual surround sound. I recommend using third-party sound applications if you want to tweak the sound output into a surround sound. As for the sound performance, mic quality, and for the price, I will give this a gold medal. I would recommend this product for all internet cafe owners out there. Again, this is Rowe Damnation, and if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and thank you guys for watching.